Their quest to ensure the effectiveness of the regional response linked to the fight against COVID-19, as well as measures taken for the recovery of economies, the ECOWAS insists on the need to coordinate efforts within the framework of the reopening of international borders. Leaders of the bloc met in Nigeria on Monday during the 57th ordinary session of heads of state and government and deliberated on the social report on COVID-19 presented by President Mohamed Buhari. Julden Jai has more.
The conference urges member states to continue implementing measures to combat COVID-19 in order to guard against a second wave of the pandemic. In this regard, the leaders approved the immediate implementation of the harmonized directives concerning the protocols in matters of cross-border transport, commerce and health. Speaking on this development, Gambian President Adama Barrow, upon return from the Niger summit, said it is important for West African leaders to collaborate in the fight against the global pandemic because COVID-19 has enslaved everybody.
I think it's important for us to discuss because President Buhari is the champion for COVID and ECOWAS. So he gave a report. Basically, his report is we have to collaborate. We have to work together to fight COVID. But we cannot do it without the support of our people because we don't have medication for COVID. So we have to respect the guidelines, the health advice for COVID. And also they went further. I think we have been very ambitious. That African scientists should also come together so that we can develop medicine to cure COVID.
Meanwhile, the Gambia government announced plans to reopen the tourism industry next month for the 2021 season with measures to contain the spread of the coronavirus. Arriving airline passengers will no longer be subjected to the mandatory quarantine, and travelers with a negative COVID-19 certificate obtained within 72 hours before boarding will not be subjected to the additional tests in Banjul. The country currently has 3,275 confirmed cases of the virus, 99 deaths and 1,424 recoveries. For iAfrica News, I am Julden Jai Suare.